So you're spending money and you want to learn how to be frugal with your income, and you came to the channel looking to, save some money. So in this video, I'm going to drop the 10 hacks on how you can be frugal and, what I've learned from it. And it's a very short video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I leave a lot of life hacks and tips on, how to better your income and also how to better your life with your health. My name is Jesse, and thank you again for coming to the channel. These are the 10 steps that I believe will help you become more frugal in your life. Number one, you have to buy in bulk. If you're buying every single week, you're going to spend a lot of money, and it's not very good to spend, money every single week. So buy in bulk. And the best place to buy in bulk is going to places like Costco or Walmart and buying things, in packages that have, big discounts. And these big retailers, especially like Costco, you can buy, 10 packs of toilet paper, hint, hint, COVID-19, or things that help you in bulk. And, it really helps that you have like 5 or 10 of the item that you're getting, because that saves you a lot of money long term and you can get it at pretty good discounts. Number two, use coupons. So the thing that I recommend is using the Honey app, and the Honey app really helps you with coupon saving online. But if you're going to places like Walmart, you could use coupons, but I really highly recommend, if you're, shopping online, using the Honey app, because that little toolbar really helps you save tons of money, especially if you're shopping online. And it's associated with a lot of different websites that you probably are familiar with, like Amazon, eBay, and even, of course, like Walmart. But, other websites too, like Nike and Adidas. So number three is making sure that you make your own food. So if you make your own food in your house, you're gonna save a lot more money than buying out or ordering all the time. And I know it's probably very hard to make food, because obviously making a pizza or preparing pasta takes time, right? But if you look at it in the sense where you create your own meal, you're gonna save a lot of money in terms of spending money on food. So try to learn how to prepare your meals, and it really helps you if in your dating life too, especially if you have women around you. It's very impressive if you are a man that can create your own food and cook. Number four, make sure to drink water instead of pop. So if you consume a lot of water, you're going to save a lot of money instead of buying pops, because if you look at the price of a pop could be anywhere from $1 to $5, where you can use that same $1.25, $2, $3 to buy a pack of water bottles. Or you can invest yourself in a Brita filter, where you can attach to your water filter and just have tap water that is filtered. I highly recommend drinking water over pop, because it's good for your health, but it also helps you save with your money. Number five, get a car that's really good with gas mileage. And the reason why I say that is because if you are driving, for your job, or you're driving just to go to the store and whatnot, if you have a car that drinks a lot of gas, you're going to spend a lot of money long term, and you're not really going to be frugal. And I know this because I've made that mistake where I bought a car that is, very gas consuming, and it costed me a lot of money. And I'm still, working on that. So I highly recommend getting a car like a Honda or, a Prius or something for commuting, because obviously you don't have to flex all the time. It's good to have money in your pocket rather than trying to flex with your buddies, because cars are very expensive. I know, because I'm a petrol head myself. So keep your car cheap. Number six, live close to your work as close as possible. So if you are working and you are commuting a lot, I highly recommend having a career where you can work at from home, or commute to a place that's very close to you. And the reason why I say that is because you're going to save a lot more money like that. I know because in my career, I commute a very short distance, which saves me a whole lot of money in the long term. Number 7, shop online rather than shopping at the store. Now you want to shop online more because it saves you a lot of time, and you could use the Honey app to really save money and budget what you buy. So you can buy things online, even groceries, and have them ordered to your house without even stepping out the door. That helps you save a lot of money long term, and you don't have to spend money on gas. Number 8, cut the things that you don't need. So if you have subscriptions like Netflix or Hulu or other subscriptions that you're not watching, I highly recommend you get rid of those subscriptions, because long term these subscriptions will build up over time, especially if you have things like Amazon Prime or things that you're not using. Highly recommend getting rid of those subscriptions because they really eat up your income at the end of the day. Or number 9, cut your hair at home, because if you cut your hair at home, it's a lot more efficient because you don't have to spend $20-$30 on a hairstylist. Learn to cut your own hair. It really helps you out as a man. Number 10, deep freeze your food, because if you deep freeze your food, you go to the store and you deep freeze all your food, you're gonna have a ton of food that you can use, especially if you buy a microwave dinner. Microwave dinners are great for just popping in the microwave. You could have 10 of them for each day of the week, and you could eat off of that. Each of them probably cost you $1, $2, $3. And you know what? You're gonna save a ton of money like that long term. So with that said, these are the top ways you can be frugal in your life. Now, I highly recommend opening up a savings account, because long term, if you save a lot of money, you're going to have a lot of money long term. Now, what I recommend is using the link that I provided in the description below. It's called Super Money, and this savings account really helps you, manage your money and save your money long term. So I recommend, putting away $5, $10 every single paycheck. I'm currently putting away $50 out of all of my paychecks, and that really helps me long term because I'm gonna see a ton of money later on in my savings account, and it's really good to save money, especially if you're trying to be frugal and you want to have emergency funds. Now, they say that having $400 in emergency funds is recommended, so I highly recommend saving that amount of money or more. So with that said, I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, thank you again for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about the strategies that I'm using that you can use too, that will really help you save money long term. So thank you again for watching this video. Take care.